Hello, everyone. Today is a very exciting day because we are going to be signing up for our first race together.
Woo!
The race Rachel and I are going to be doing is a 25K. It is 5 sets of a singular 5K loop of the course, which means in total we're going to have to complete 5 5Ks between both of us. The format of the event is one 5K has to be completed every hour with the goal of having the fastest overall combined time. Instead of a normal race where you go and you just run for one duration at a time, or compared to a last man standing style event where you go for a set defined course distance as long as you can. The goal of this race is to complete the course in the fastest amount of time while still being repeatable because you have to complete the loop at least 5 times.
I feel like this race is going to be challenging because it's sort of similar to like swimming or any kind of workout session. Like, would you rather do fast on a short time period or fast with a longer break time period? Everyone says that they'd rather do fast on a short time period because with the long rest in there, then the lactic acid is definitely building up on your muscles and it's going to hurt really bad.
The fact that the race is occurring over 5 hours means you have to be eating and preparing for it, but you also have to know that you're going to be hitting like max heart rate in 45 minutes or an hour. So it's a balance of like not being hungry, but also being well fueled because it's pretty much going to be eating breakfast and lunch while you're there.
That's actually really weird to think about because it's like, okay, if you ran, say, a 20 some minute 5K, then we have an hour and a half until my turn, and then it'd be an hour and a half again. So it's a long time in between.
Breaking down our plan is we have to run 5 sets in total. We're going to split it between me and Rachel, 3 and 2. I'm going to run 3 of them. Rachel is going to do 2 of them. So I'll do 1, 3, and 5, and she'll do 2 and 4. Regarding the pacing structure, we're not totally sure yet, but what I was kind of estimating it around was for survival, taking our half marathon goal times and then splitting that down to like the minutes per mile pace. Let's say 650 to 7 minutes. For easy math, we'll do 7 minutes. The goal would be to run 3 21-minute 5Ks. I actually think that sounds about right because I'm like, that's about 2 to 3 minutes off of what my actual race 5K would be. The race is going to be on October 18th, 2025, so a little bit over 40 days away. Looking at the race website from Outer Banks Sporting Events, the name of the event is Another Round 25K. It is the first year they're going to be doing this. And I think it's a really interesting format because it's really different. It's not last man standing, but it's not a traditional race. So it's a little bit of a balance of being like, how fast can you run a 5K, but also being able to run multiple 5Ks at that pace. This would be a challenge for me to go, what is that pace where it is repeatable, but is also going to be competitively fast? That's a great point, is you can compete in this race as an individual, or you can compete as a team. We're electing to do it as a team for the fun aspect and also getting to enjoy it because I'm looking forward to like actually getting to race, but then also cheer and watch from the sidelines. Usually either one of us is solely racing or we're both competing together. Each participant must complete each loop in 55 minutes. I think we'll be okay. All right, register. The cost of the race so far before any additional fees is $140 for both of us. Team name.
A team name.
What do you want the team name?
Big Borzoi? Borzoi?
Big Boars? Do you want to explain that while I type it in?
Okay. So we're picking our team name as Big Boars. It is a shortened play on words of the dog Borzoi. So we both are Borzoi enthusiasts. We really like the Borzoi breed of dog. So we're going to name our team name Big Boars.
You got any other good information you want to share? All right, I'll give you some.
Napping.
Okay, so
I'm awake.
what is your pacing plan for the race?
I think similarly, pacing plan, what Colton said, is probably good and what we will do. We'll see on race day. Maybe you'll just be feeling it and ready. I only have to run 2 5Ks, so I think you can sort of go in a little bit less, like, okay, keeping to a pace. You could probably just do them semi all out since you are only doing 2. But yeah, I feel like going for like 8-minute miles, maybe that would be a good goal.
That sounds about right. I was like, I think that's, yeah. It will be interesting. I'm curious if there's going to be anybody just dropping like 17-minute 5Ks and just repeating that. Because I'm like, there are people who are capable of that. I want to meet them. I'd love to see it.
Maybe we can win.
Win. Yeah, I don't know.
I feel like there probably won't be that much like participation for something like this, so maybe we have a chance of winning.
Yeah, maybe, maybe not. I generally have no idea. The crowd here, because it's such a small event, the crowd changes a lot year to year. And especially with an inaugural event, it could have a lot of people show up or it could have nobody show up because people could not be interested, maybe.
Maybe it'll get canceled, like our first sprint triathlon got canceled because not enough people signed up for it.
I forgot about that. All right, that all looks fine. Continue. Okay, we have made it to billing and payment. So the price for the race is $139.95.
I didn't need to put in my shirt size.
Yeah, I think we have to do that later. There literally wasn't a spot for the second person.
I need my t-shirt.
Yeah, no, I'm like, there literally isn't a spot for the second person.
Maybe we only get one shirt and one medal.
I'd cry. All right, place order. You are now registered. Tell all your friends.
We're telling you, friends online.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't put that in there. At the end, I should shout myself out, though.
Yeah. That is our race sign-up video. We have 40 days until the race. If you'd like to see more, please follow along because I'm really excited for this one. About 1 month after this race, I'm going to also be doing the Outer Banks Marathon. This is a really fun B race because it's just something to get to enjoy during the process of getting ready for the big one. Because not every race has to be for time, and this one is going to be really fun because we get to race together.
I'm excited. I think we're going to be running a lot of 5Ks in the month of October because we'll have this 5K race running multiple 5Ks, and then the law school also has a 5K race. So we'll be chugging along on these 5Ks here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
That's going to wrap it up for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a happy, beautiful, and blessed day. Bye.
Subscribe to my channel, please.